Good morning everybody, welcome back to our channel Sri Education. So today class is 9th class exercise 12.5. So previous class we learned the angle subtended by an arc of the circle. Next, angle subtended by an arc at the point and the remaining parts of the circle. So here today class 9th class exercise 12.5. First question, find the value of x and y in the figure given below. So here first one triangle is given. Inscribe the triangle. So here inscribe the triangle. So here one angle is 30 degrees, another two angles are x and y. Here two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So here x equal to y. Easily we find the x and y values. So here this is the diagram. Here these two sides are equal. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. First we write that one from the figure. From the figure x equal to y. So here since angles opposite to equal sides. So these two angles are equal. Here these two angles are equal, but we use the angle sum property. So here angle sum property, here three angles, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees in a triangle. So here x plus y plus, here third angle is 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. Angle sum property. So here x plus y, already we know that x equal to y. So here x plus 30 equal to 180. So here 30 carry to right hand side. Here x plus x, 2x equal to 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 means here 2x equal to here 150. Here 2x equal to 150. So that implies here x equal to 150 by 2 is equal to 75 degrees. 2 1 to 75. So this is the x value. So here x equal to y. Therefore x equal to y equal to 75 degrees. Both are equal. So this is the first one solution. Now next we write the second one. This is the second diagram. So here cyclic quadrilateral is given. So here opposite angle sum is equal to 180 degrees in a cyclic quadrilateral. So here four angles are given, x, y, 85, 110. So these two are equal to 180. Next sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So here given figure is a cyclic quadrilateral. So given figure is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here cyclic quadrilateral means here sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180. So here sum of the opposite angles means x plus 110. Sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So here x plus 110 is equal to, here x plus 110 equal to 180. So here x equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to here 70 degrees. Next we take another opposite angles. So here y plus 85 equal to 180. So here y is equal to 180 minus 85. So here y equal to 95 degrees. So here asking x and y values. X equal to 70 and y equal to 95. This is the second one solution. Now next third one, this is the given diagram. So here we find the x. Here to here is a diagonal. Diagonal makes a 90 degrees in a triangle. So here x equal to 90 degrees. So semicircle. So here semicircle angle is 90 degrees. So here from the figure x equal to 90 degrees. From the figure x equal to 90 degrees, because here this is the semicircle. So here angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So here this is 90 degrees and one angle is 50 degrees. We find the third angle. So here angle sum property. Here 50 plus 90 plus y equal to 180. Here angle sum property. So here angle sum property 50 plus 90 plus x equal to 180. So here 50 plus 90 140, 140 plus y equal to 180 degrees. So here y equal to 180 minus 140. So here that equal to 40 degrees. Y equal to 40 degrees. This is the answer. So here asking x value and y value. Here x equal to 90 degrees and y equal to 40 degrees. This is the answer of third one. Next, second question, given that vertices ABC of a quadrilateral ABCD is lies on a circle. So also angle A plus angle C equal to 180. So then prove that vertex D is also lies on the semicircle. So here 3 vertices are lies on the circle. So here fourth vertices, we prove that fourth vertices is lies on the circle. So first, here sum of the angles in a quadrilateral equal to 180 degrees. Here two angles are sum is A and C are the opposite angles. So here these two are the 180 degrees means another two angles B and D. These two are sum is equal to 180 degrees. So because here angles sum 4 angles sum is equal to 360 degrees. So B plus D is equal to 180 and A plus C equal to 180. So is a D is lies on the circle, is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we write that one. So here given that vertices ABCD of a quadrilateral, ABCD is lies on a circle, So here ABCD is a lies on a circle. So now we prove that D is also lies on the circle. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And ABC points, ABC are lies on the circle. Now we show that D is lies on the circle. So here A plus C, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So here sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So here two angles sum is equal to 180 means here another two angles is angle B plus angle D equal to. So here angle B plus D equal to 180 because is a quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral given in the question. So here opposite angle sum is equal to 180 degrees means ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. D lies on the circle. So we write that one. So sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So is a cyclic quadrilateral. That implies is a cyclic quadrilateral. So is a cyclic quadrilateral means here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here therefore D lies on the same circle. So therefore D also lies on the same circle. Is a cyclic quadrilateral means 4 points are lies on that circle. So here this is the solution of second one. So here draw the parallelogram. This is the ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, cyclic is a cyclic parallelogram. So prove that it is a rectangle. So this parallelogram we prove that is a rectangle. So here is a parallelogram is a cyclic. So here ABCD is a parallelogram, cyclic parallelogram. Parallelogram is a cyclic. So here ABCD points lies on the circle. So here such that ABCD, ABC and D lies on the circle. So is a cyclic parallelogram. So lies on the circle. So lies on the circle means in a cyclic parallelogram, opposite sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180. So here sum of the opposite angles A plus C equal to 180, and here angle B plus angle D equal to 180, because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So here these two angles are supplementary. So here, but here opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, means here A equal to C and D equal to B. So here, but angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. So because here opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here angle A is equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. So therefore here these two are equal and sum is equal to 180, means here these two are the angle A and C are the 90 degrees. Here also same, these two angles are equal and sum is equal to 180, means here B and D is equal to 90 degrees. So four angles, angle A is equal to angle C equal to angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. So here four angles are 90 degrees, means ABCD is a rectangle. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So this is the proof of third one. So here asking proof that it is a rectangle. So finally ABCD is a rectangle. This is the third one proof. Now next, here this is the old book. So new books are, third question is, another question is there. So next this one is the fourth question. Next fifth question. So here fourth question is proof that cyclic rhombus is a square. So here rhombus, cyclic rhombus. Rhombus means here four sides are equal and parallelogram. Rhombus rules almost satisfies the square rules. So basically rhombus is a square. So here we prove that cyclic rhombus is a square. So here we draw the cyclic rhombus. Rhombus four sides are equal. So here diagonals are perpendicular. So here square also four sides are equal, diagonals are perpendicular. Rhombus is a basically square. So we write that one. So here let ABCD be a cyclic rhombus. Cyclic rhombus. So that implies here any rhombus, here four sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. AB equal to BC equal to DC equal to CA. And next here four angles. Here this is the cyclic rhombus. Cyclic rhombus means opposite angles sum is equal to 180. So here angle A plus angle C equal to angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. So here, but rhombus is a basically parallelogram. So we write that one. Here opposite, but rhombus is a rhombus is basically is a parallelogram. So here rhombus is a basically parallelogram.